Do you ever feel like something is missing in your Christian life? You read, you pray, you serve, but deep down you're still bored, unfulfilled, maybe even stuck. Maybe what's missing is not something, but someone. Jesus called him the helper, the one sent to guide you, empower you, and bring healing and transformation. The Holy Spirit is the very power of God in your heart. But if you don't know how to access him or cooperate with him, you'll miss the abundant life Jesus promised. That's why we created Holy Spirit 101, a free 2-hour online workshop. You'll learn who the Holy Spirit is, what he does, and how to partner with him daily. Don't keep living as though something is missing. Step into the fullness that God designed for you. Choose your session time and register today. We hope to see you there.